through a walkthrough of this GCSE question. If you haven't had a go at it, I suggest you have a go. This question is from June 24, paper 1H, question 22. Right. So, sketch the graph. I'm not going to draw it on it. I'm just going to sketch it below just so you know what it looks like. It's the sine graph, so it crosses at 180, crosses at 360, and it starts and that's the peak. I should really draw that better and stuff like that. So that's my sine graph, and it goes to 1 and -1. Right, 2 marks, quite straightforward. Solve the equation. So you're told that 2x sine x equals -1. So sine x equals -1/2. You know from your exact trig values that means that is -30 degrees. Now, -30 degrees on your graph would be over here, but -1/2 is along here. So if you think about the line, it's where does it hit here? So you have, thinking about the curve, bring it up to show you. So the curve, -1/2, well, there's a bit here which is 180 plus the 30, which is 210, which is one of my answers. And you've got this one, which is 360. Take the 30. So you've got 360, take 30, which gives me 330. So there are 2 answers, 210, 330. Brilliant. Right, have a go at this. Right, graph, you can see it just through the paper, can't you? Same graph, it's the sine graph, hasn't changed. That's 90, that's 180, that's 270, that's 360. That would be at 1, that would be at -1. Right, now we're told for part B, √2 sine x equals 1. So sine x equals 1 over √2, which is the same as √2 over 2. So from your exact trig values, you know that that is 45 degrees. Going back to our graph, well, you've got a 45 here, and then you've also got a 45 here, which is halfway between. So you have 45 degrees, and you have a 45 plus 90, which is 135. Right, really well done. Now, hit subscribe. Now go to my website and find that, and there'll be slightly more challenging questions involving cos as well. Well done. Thank you for working.